In this video, I will show you how to take quality picture with Snapchat camera and save the image into your phone gallery. Let me show you how. Open up your Snapchat app. So here we go. You can take a front picture with Snapchat, or better still, you can take the back picture in Snapchat. However, you can apply different filter in Snapchat. One of them is this. So any filter you choose right here, if you are satisfied with it, then you are good to go. This is another filter right here, and this is another filter right here. The more you click, the more you see different filter. So if you are satisfied with this particular filter right here, go ahead and make a snap. Click on it, and boom, you have successfully taken a snap. And the next thing you want to do now is to see how we can eventually save this particular image into our phone gallery. For that, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on send to. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply and for that, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on save right here. So after a successful save, and the next thing you want to do is to simply click on share icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for download icon right here. Successfully exporting Snap. Boom, your Snap was exported. We can exit from Snap right here and then go ahead and look for the phone in our diary, our gallery. For that, I'm going to make use of search icon right here and type in File Manager. So I'm going to click on File Manager, open up File Manager. After open up my File Manager, you can see the Snap image right here in JPEG format. I'm going to go ahead and open up it just like so. And it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.